Laws like FERPA, CIPA, COPA, and HIPAA exist to protect sensitive data. But do you truly understand their implications? In this presentation, I will break down these key regulations, explain why healthcare information is uniquely sensitive, and explore how legal risks, both civil and criminal, can impact organizations. FERPA protects the privacy of student education records. It gives parents the right to access and amend records. FERPA applies to all schools receiving federal funding and is enforced by the U.S. Department of Education. It ensures students' privacy and sets guidelines for handling educational records. It promotes transparency while balancing the need for privacy. The Children's Internet Protection Act, or CIPA, was enacted in 2000 to protect minors from harmful online content. It applies to schools and libraries that receive E-rate funding for Internet access. To comply, they must implement an Internet safety policy with filters blocking obscene material, child pornography, and harmful content. The Children's Online Privacy Protection Act, or COPA, was enacted to protect children under 13 from online data collection without parental consent. It applies to websites, apps, and online services targeting children or knowingly collecting their data. To comply with COPA, companies must post privacy policies, notify and get verifiable parental consent before collecting data, and allow parents to review or delete their child's information. The goal is to give parents control over their child's online privacy and limit data misuse by businesses. Healthcare information is sensitive because it contains personal details like medical history, sensitive personal and financial data. Unauthorized access can lead to identity theft or insurance fraud. Protecting this data is crucial for patients' privacy, trust, and compliance with laws like HIPAA. A breach can lead to legal penalties and harm patients. State laws play a crucial role in protecting the confidentiality of medical records by setting stricter privacy regulations. They govern how healthcare providers collect, store, and share patients' information, ensuring security and limiting unauthorized access. These laws also define penalties for breaches and provide patients with rights to access and correct their records. The Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, or HIPAA, was enacted to protect individuals' health information. It sets national standards for how covered entities like healthcare providers and insurers use and disclose protected health information. It ensures patients' privacy while allowing necessary information flow for quality care and public health. Organizations may be approaching civil or criminal legal risks if there are signs like regulatory violations, unauthorized data access, financial fraud, or failure to comply with industry laws. Internal audits, whistleblower reports, and government investigations can also indicate potential legal problems. Laws are official rules created by governments. On the other hand, precedents come from past court decisions that set examples for future cases. For example, a Supreme Court ruling on data privacy can shape how similar cases are handled later. The key difference is that laws are written and enforced, while precedents guide legal decisions. Understanding legal issues in information security is crucial because one mistake can lead to lawsuits, fines, or even criminal charges. Laws set strict rules for protecting data. If organizations don't follow them, they risk massive breaches, financial losses, and reputational damage. Staying informed about these laws helps prevent legal trouble, protects customer trust, and ensures compliance. In today's digital world, knowing the legal side of security isn't optional, it's a necessity.